Until you are emotionally mature enough to handle it totally, able to cope with your feelings and your sexuality without guilt, inhibition, or phoniness, but with love, tenderness, and honesty.
Let's talk about this, Tyler. Why are you backed into this spot here?
Well, we gotta escape because it's gonna snow like a motherfucker.
And nobody else is prepared.
Yes.
I'm excited.
My wipers up, even though I don't really think it does anything. Fight me!
Put the coffee on the side of the car for satanic reasons, so it keeps the snow clear.
And then we got, you know, our handy dandy blowtorch back here and some lock spray. Just in case we can't open the car on the back. Oh wait, and the best part, there's a shovel.
There's actually a shovel. Tyler loves to dig holes.
Yeah. Okay, cool, bye.
You vlogging, bro? You vlogging?
Hey Tyler, what's up, bro? So I've been vlogging on my own camera for quite a while, but I decided it's time to vlog on these fools' camera because we're in the airport and they ain't recording enough footage at all.
Stuff, though. You just haven't seen it.
You didn't get enough. Flexing. You didn't get enough. You're not flexing. Flexing. So yeah, anyhow, they're not recording enough footage, so I decided I'd flex. I'd flex on their vlog a little bit. Make sure we're all the way zoomed out. I want to have a little conversation.
Flexible. You can switch the screen faces.
Oh, can you? Flexticles. Oh, you can flexticle. Okay. We got a little parched. We got a little parched in the airport parking before we got on the shuttle, but I'll be honest, I don't think we were parched enough. What up, Miss Creature?
Totally not parched enough.
Are you ready for this cesspool of American self-validation?
I guess so, yeah. I've like built up my immune system.
Yeah, so I mean, how'd you come to be on this Vegas trip? Why are you here right now? Why are you going to Vegas?
Everyone said it was the cool thing to do, so I followed. Nah, DRL invited us.
So DRL invited you?
Yeah, because of the painting.
Because of the painting, you're doing a piece for them. Mm-hmm. You're doing a piece for them. That's stoked. I'm dope. I may have seen it. I may not have seen it.
May not. May not exist.
She does dope art. It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm so excited to see the neon signs.
Neon signs.
I want to go to the neon sign graveyard, actually.
There's the neon. Wait, I've never heard of this.
Super cool.
I've never heard of this.
They take all the old signs from Vegas and they put them in this like graveyard. This person like can sell them if they want, but they just all sit there and they're just like chilling in the desert.
Mercy. Mercy. Don't trip.
I just found Bot Grinder. Drinking alone.
I went to high school.
We're here to party with him. There's always a camera.
The capper special.
Skirts play with it 'cause I'm slick like that. I'm the greatest MC in the world. You got to give me.
The top 24 people basically off of that go on to.
I never did it. The flavors being bucked, but brothers ain't getting it. Get it? Or else you're gonna, when I rolls over, you're gonna have to wanna lamb. 'Cause it's the Chattanooga champ. Taking a train, taking a train, taking a train, taking a train.
Now I'm something like a phenomenon. I'm something like a phenomenon. Well, I'm the other cat. Turn it out of the chat for chill. That's what a phenomenon. DJ Paul, he's down with us. Now people stop taking my style.
Wow, dude, it's so lit.
I got the McNair connection, so my import stuff. What word am I? Cause I'm so fly.
Yes, on and on. I'm in like river. Rock my yacht. I got gills like Johnny. Sail at 7L. We're good for ya. Bigger than bigs. Dig it. I dug it. Ways that amazes popes. I am the is equals is, cause it's caught up when the tide taught me the ropes. No waits for the bait. Man, I'll give you 4. For a verb unheard of, man, give me one more. Alright, you got it if you're special. With a dab of toe tapper when a lot's going on. And ain't a damn thing happening. The answer to the riddle is me. And here's the question, who could be fresh? Who could be dope? Who could be nice? Who could be beautiful? Who could be word? Who could be me be the Jericho?
Top 24, bro.
Right now, there's still time trials left to go.
I just good to see you guys. Have fun. We'll see you guys later.
I'm Lunatic FPV.
He rocks.
I'm Maverick of the Broken Prop
And he
Crew.
rocks.
Until next time.
So we're headed home. We're on the slowest conveyor belt ever. This is how you kill an hour. We've been on this thing 5 times. Make it up the driveway.
Come on, Lynette.
Come on. So it's about 1 a.m. We're walking up it. It's flooding down the road and there's trees.
That is wild.
Yeah.
That is so horrible.
Ooh, hey girl. Why is my door open? Who done did that? So clearly it's not that bad here. Sweet, but it's been raining profusely and all the snow is melted. The flooding is real. We're gonna show you the creek. The creek is now a river.
Don't know what I'm supposed to be. You know, I'm stuck. Does it get easier?
So this isn't actually a river, it's just a creek. But it's flowing like a river.